डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम। आज हम सीखेंगे डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम इन देयर व्हाट इज डेटा, लर्न ऑफ कंप्यूटर विद पीपीटी इन इंग्लिश। डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द डिजिटल वर्ल्ड, प्रेजेंटेड बाय संजीवनी कोतापल्ली। जो बच्चे इंजीनियरिंग के हैं, जो बच्चे शुरुआत से कंप्यूटर सीख रहे हैं, उन बच्चों के लिए मास्टर कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन जो सीख रहे हैं उन बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट पीपीटी होगी। इसमें डेटा क्या है ये इंफॉर्मेशन बताई गई है। देखिए आगे, इंट्रोडक्शन टू डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन। In computer, data refers to raw, unorganized fact, figures, or symbols, while information is data that has been processed, organized, and structured to provide meaning and content. This is the data. Data in the raw material, fact, figures, symbols. This is the data. A computer interprets raw data like numbers, text, or images through software to transform into useful, understandable information that can be used for decision making, research, or other purposes. Then, last, this is the fact, figure, symbol, unorganized data. This is the collection of information. Figure, various type of data, figures, text, images. This is the various type of data. Then process, data process, data के ऊपर हम process करके processing करके then data processing and last information, meaningful information. This is the figure of data. What is data? Definition है raw unorganized elements such as numbers, characters, symbols, or images that represent facts or concepts but lack inherent meaning on their own. This is the data. Raw unorganized elements. This is the data. Next, characteristic, unprocessed and unstructured. This is the main character है unprocessed and unstructured. This is the data, can be in various forms including binary code. Binary code means ones and zeros. This is the text, images, audio, or sensor reading. This is the important of characteristic. Example, a single number 1 0, a series of character plus minus asterisk and percent, raw pixel values that make up an image. This is the example of data. Information. What is information? Information कैसे बनती है? This is the definition है data that has been processed, interpreted, organized, and given context to make it meaning and useful to numbers. Meaningful data created by information. This is the information. Interpreted, organized, or given context make meaningful data. Next, data versus information versus knowledge. What's the difference? This is the difference. Data, information, and knowledge. डेटा मीन्स क्या है, इंफॉर्मेशन मीन्स क्या है, नॉलेज मीन्स क्या है. डेटा ओनली रॉ फैक्ट्स विदाउट कंटेक्स्ट. दिस इज द डेटा. इंफॉर्मेशन, मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन. डेटा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन अ मीनिंगफुल वे. एंड नॉलेज, insight derived from information. This is the information. This is the meaningful knowledge. Information in their characteristic. First, processed, organized and structured. Information processed रहती है, organized होती है और structured होती है. Provides context, meaning and basis for decision making. Is the output of computer processing. This is the characteristic of information. Next, example है The statement, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, is information derived from the raw data and other contextual data, the unit degree Celsius. Data in there defined 10 degrees Celsius. This is the data. And information in there defined degrees Celsius. This is the difference. For example of information. A report summarizing sales figure is information derived from a collection of a raw sales data. This is the example of information. Data, information and knowledge. This is the figure of data, information, knowledge. The relation. इन तीनों में कौन सा रिलेशन है? डेटा, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज. The key difference is that data is the input or a raw material and information is the output or product derived from processing that data. Computer it into information which is the presented to users in a way that is significant and easy to understand. This is the relation of data, information and knowledge. Thank you for the watching video Learn of Computer with PPT by Sanjeevani Kotapalle.